guys, what's up? And today I wanted to show you how to make this. Of course you can paint it whatever you want. I have to paint this later anyways. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so first things first, cut out whatever shade for ciel. I don't have a preference. So I'm just using a circle. I can show you this one. In the back I put fabric so it doesn't irritate my eye with this. So I just took this, so I put somewhat to the same color, but I'm going to have to Mod Podge this one. But yeah, so I'm going to try to make this. So first things first, you will need elastic. I have a long piece right now. But yeah, so when you have elastic, what you'll do with it is you'll hot glue it onto there. And afterwards, you'll do the same on the other side and put the felt. So I'll show you. Let's get the right angle. Okay, so what you're gonna do, if you're young, make sure your parents help you with this part. Yeah, so you just put a little bit of hot glue and leave a little bit of room if you burnt yourself where I have. Trust me, you don't want to. Not fun. And just wait for it to cool. If you need to, just do that. And my hot glue gun needs a refill of glue. Yeah, as you see, I have a ton here. And what you can do if you don't want to burn yourself, so you can take this and move it so it huddles it a bit. Of course, we're going to be dousing this later on. And then what you do next is I'll show you. Now, of course, if you don't have the correct measurements, what you'll do is just take it and you'll wrap it around your head. So then, make sure it's not hot. Mine's just warm. So you hold it to your eye. Put it as you would. And you make sure it's not too tight, but not too loose. And then from there, that's weird. Okay. So what I do is I imprint and I leave a little bit of room. And I have plenty of this, so I have enough time. And on the other end, yeah. So on the other end, what you'll do is put more glue down, and where you imprinted it, you're going to go ahead and push it down. If you don't want to get burnt, if your parents are there, have them do this for you. Trust me, I got burnt. You can see on my thumb. 1st degree. Not fun. But yeah. Now, of course, you can shape it however you want. Mine, I decided circle. And then, so you think it's cool enough, but it's not going to be too hot. Start to pull it onto it. That's what I'm doing. I'm just holding it down. Then, this part your parents will need to help you with. So you take your fabric. But first, make sure you also have enough hot glue. This takes very minimal material. And you just douse it. With as much as you will like. Okay, and then afterwards, what you do is place your material over it. You just put pressure. And just so you know, you won't get burnt from this, but you will feel the heat depending how long your hot glue gun has been plugged in. yeah. And from there, you got yourself a nice little eye patch area. And yeah, now I'll show you what you do next. And now, once you got that, and you feel like it's cold enough, I'm willing to cut it when it's still hot. I don't care. I burnt myself once. Don't want to do it again. That's good flavor for us. Okay, so next I do you just cut around it. So I'm doing is just cutting it around. And as you're cutting around, if you're still young and you're little, have your parent help you with this. I do not want you to hurt yourself. And of course, my eye patch is for a seal. And then there you go. You got yourself an eye patch. Now I have to. But anyways, thank you for watching this. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I hope this was helpful if you guys are trying to make one, but you don't want to buy one. And yeah, smash the like button if you enjoyed this video. And go down below and subscribe. Make sure you click the bell for more notifications for whenever I post, because YouTube is broken. No joke. But yeah, if you guys want to see more of this, I'm going to post a video soon. The dress is almost in. And yeah, you guys can see my wig tutorial. I'll put it right here. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, bye.